It's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I've got another Bondcraftor unboxing. This is the one I was the most excited about. It's the casting powder. I have used casting powders in the past. I've used plaster of Paris years ago. Well, I've still used it, but Resin-Crete, a couple of the others. I'm excited about trying this one. I'm trying to keep these videos really short, y'all. They gotta be less than 5 minutes. My battery will not last long enough to upload anything longer than that. It takes an hour to upload a 5-minute video. Kid you not. Okay, just real quick. On the back of the box, first aid, storage, a warning: harmful if swallowed, may cause eye irritation, and prohibition on food consumption. Okay, stir sticks, gloves, scoop. It's got a really handy piece of sanding paper. That'll come in handy. Instruction manual sheet card thing. Container cleaning, handling, accurate measurements, mix well, timing of demold. It is a 10:3 powder to water ratio. Mix evenly for 2 minutes. Pour and demold. It's got a 30-minute demold. 3 to 4 minute work time. Okay. The casting powder itself, which appears to be really similar to the Resin-Crete, as in same packaging, different label of course, but ultra white, bubble free, smooth and fine, fast curing. Couple of graduated cups. Let's see, green, blue, and yellow. Another pair of gloves, and some more of these little cups. Alright, I'm excited about using this. I love to use these in my little molds when doing mixed media work, stuff like that. But I've got some bigger projects in mind, some jars and stuff like that. Okay? I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that hot button. Bye for now.